Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In Mathematics Staff Selection Commission Mathematics exam, that is MCQ and answers. Look at this. If sine alpha plus sine squared alpha equal to 1, then the value of cos power 12 alpha plus 3 cos power 10 alpha plus 3 cos power 8 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha minus 1 is here. Sine alpha given sine alpha plus sine squared alpha equal to 1. So you convert sine alpha plus sine squared is 1 minus cos squared alpha equal to 1. From this we can say sine alpha equal to cos squared alpha, because it is 1 and 1 cut. Sine alpha equal to cos squared alpha. Now we have to write this given result in this. That means now cos over 12 alpha plus 3 cos power 10 alpha plus 3 cos power 8 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha minus 1. Here this cos power, we can write this one as identity for cos power 4 alpha plus cos power 2 alpha whole cube, which is a plus b whole cube equal a cube, that is 4 into 3 is 12, plus b cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b, 3 into a square, 3 into a square b, that is a square is 4, 2 into 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10, and like this. Here this expansion is this much, then minus 1. Here cos square whole alpha is, here cos square alpha is sine alpha, here you can write, which is equal sine square alpha and cos square alpha as it is whole cube minus 1. We know the basic identity of sine square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. Therefore 1 cube minus 1 equal to 0. So our option is A. Next question. A kite. If one flies a kite with a thread 180 meter long, if the thread of the kite makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal line, then the height of the kite from the ground. So here the kite, here this is the height. Kite height is, that thread length is 180 meter and angle of 60 degree. We have to find the height of the kite. Here sine 60 equal to h over 180. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to h over 180. Therefore h equal to 180 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 90 root 3 meter. Option B. Here next question. A plus b plus c equal to 0, then the value of a square over a square minus bc plus b square over b square minus ca, bc square over c square minus ab. This is a cyclic. So we have the condition a plus b plus c equal to 0, and that you can say a equal minus b then minus c, therefore a equal to minus b plus c. We are applying this a values here. So which is equal, a squared is b plus c whole square. That is a squared is b plus c the square minus bc, then b square over b square minus c into a is as minus b minus c. Therefore, plus b plus c plus c square as c square itself over c square, that is ab. We write b, that is minus b, then a is b plus c, but minus b plus c here, plus all we expressed in terms of b and c here. Then expanding this, b plus c whole square is b squared plus c squared plus 2bc, b squared c squared. So we have, this is 2 into b squared plus c squared plus bc. So this addition and over b squared plus c squared plus bc, which means here we are if we expand this, it comes same this one, b squared plus c squared plus bc. So we are having LCM as this one and add, we get here. Look at here, these are same factors cut. Answer is 2. Yeah. Question number 32. 3 cubes of metal whose edges are in the ratio 3, 4, 5 are melted and 1 cube is formed. If the diagonal of the cube is 12 root 3 centimeter, then find the edge of the largest cube. Here, look at here. Volume of 3 cubes together and melted gives 3x into, because ratios of 3 is to 4 is to 5, that is 4x into 5x, which is equal 3x cube, 4x cube, 5x cube addition, because 3 cubes melted together, which gives 3 is 27x cube, 4 is 64x cube, 5 is 125x cube, which is 216x cube. Total volume of these 3 cubes together gives this much. Now, but here is melted together as a 1 cube, which is having diagonal. Therefore, side of together 1 cube, side of big cube is side A equal diagonal is 12 root 3 divided by root 3, which is equal, because a root 3 is diagonal, so a root 3 by root 3 is side is 12. Therefore, we have to equate this volume to 1 cube, 216x cube is a side cube, 12 cube. Is here also volume, here also volume. Then from this x cube, 12 into 12 into 12, 216 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6. So each 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. X cube is 2 cube, therefore x equal to 2. x equal to 2, we got it, but they ask find the edge of the largest cube. Edge is 5x. Edge of the largest cube is 5 into 2 is 10 centimeter. Option D. Next question. If in the figure given below, YAX is a tangent and to the circle with center O, BAX equal to 70. BAX is here 70 and BAQ equal to 40. This is 40. And then what is ABQ? Look at here, this total is 90 degree. From AAX is 90 degree because it's diameter and the tangent. Therefore, it's 90. Total is 90 means this is 20. That is EBA. EAB is 20. BAQ is then ABQ. ABQ. This we need. Then here, this is, we know that semicircle, this is 90. So this equal, total is 180. So 90 gone. So it is a 70. In the cyclic quadrilateral, this sum of angles opposite is 180. Therefore, E is 70, then Q equal to 20. Equal to 20 degrees. Next question. Look at here, this data interpretation. Look at here, the data interpretation. Study the following bar graph carefully and answer the questions given below. The graph shows the number of users in lakhs of 3 different mobile network companies like Airtel, Jio and Vodafone in various years 2014 to 2017. Here, look at here, this is blue is Airtel, Jio is red and Vodafone is green. Now, answer these questions now. What is the ratio of the number of users Airtel to that of Vodafone during the period of 215 to 270? Here, the number of users of Airtel during 2015. Airtel 2016. Airtel 2015 to 2017. 15 to here, Airtel is blue. So we have to add up that here 70, 15 to 15. This is this number of users of Airtel during 15. Airtel is blue. Here that add the blue of other from 15 to 70. 15 is here, this and this. So three things added is 55. 55 plus 80. Here Airtel is 80 here and here 60. Altogether gives 195. Then the same that they are asking, what is the ratio of the number of Airtel to the mode of 1. Same mode of 1 during the period same. For mode of 1, mode of same years is equal to, for mode of 1 is green. Here 60, the first is 75, 40 and 40. 75, 40, 40. 75, 40, 40 equal to 155. Therefore, ratio is 195 to 155. Dividing by 5, we give 39 is to 39 ratio 31. Option B. Then question number 36. Total users of 3 companies in 2017 are what percentage less than the total users of all 3 companies 2004? 2017 all users, 2007, 2014 first, 2014 all users are 70, 80, and 2014 this all the three things 70, 80 and 60, which gives 210. And what percent less than the total users of all 3 companies 2014? For 14, 70, 80 this one, and total users 2017, total users 2017 is 60, 85 and 40. 2017 60, 85, 85 and 40, which gives addition is 185. Therefore, required percentage is how much less here? 2014 is 210 minus 2017 is 185. This much difference with 2014 into 100%, which gives approximate 11.9. This already given. Then next question. The total number of users of Vodafone and Jio in year 2016 was what percentage of the number of users Airtel in year? Here first, the number of users in Vodafone and Jio in 2016. 2016 Modo plus Airtel, Modo plus Jio. 2016 Modo and Modo is green and Jio is red. So 60 and 40 is equal 60 and 40 is 100. And a number of users of Airtel in 2016 is 80. 2016 Airtel is below 80. So the percentage is 100 divided by 80 into 100, which gives 125 percentage. So option is D. Next question. What is the average number of users of all three companies in the given period? Here we have to add the total users of all the years. Total users. Total users means we have to add this all items, which gives by figure 70, 80, 60, 70, 80, 60, and 55, 45, 75, 55, 45, 75, 80, 60, 40, 80, 60, 40, plus 60, 85, 40, 60, 85, 40, all together means this all 70, 80, 60, then 55, like all we are adding this together. Addition is 750. Now we have to find the average. Therefore, we need what? What is the average number of users of all three companies? Three companies in the given period. Here, totally 4 periods are there. Therefore, average given period 750 over 4, which is equal 187.5. 187.5 lakhs average. What is the average number of users? Next question. Look at here. Look at the difference. The difference between the time taken by two cars to cover 450 km is 1 hour 30 minutes. If the difference between their speed is 15 km per hour, find the speed of the slower car. Look at here. Here, let the speed of the slower car. X km per hour. Now, fast car. First is x plus 15. Now, the difference between the to cover 450 km in two cars, T1 minus T2, faster car minus slower car minus faster car. Slower car is, that is 450 is like distance by speed, is a time for car 1 minus same 450 by time for car 2. Here, look at here, for we can, which is equal to 1.5 hour, that is 1.5. By solving this quadratic equation or by fixing some trial, suppose if you fix if you put x equal to 60, then 450 divided by 60 is equal to 450 divided by 75. So if we put x equal to 60, it is balancing. X equal to 60. Let us check 450 divided by 60 minus 450 divided by 75. So here 9 5 nines are, so divided by 3 is this is what we are by 5 you can cut this 15 by 5 is 90. So another cut by which is 6. So 45 by 6 minus 9 equal to 1.5. This is 300, 450 by x, and before that we can do this. Easier way, anyhow I can get it this, but look at easier way here. Divide by 1.5 throughout, which gives this 300 by x minus here also 300, because divided by same x plus 15 equal to 1, since we are dividing by 1.5. Now if fix x equal 60, which balance 60 means 300 by 60 minus 300 by 75. 300 by 60 is 5 times, and 300 by 75 is 4 times, equal to 1. So our fixing is correct. Therefore x equal to 60. Now they are asking find the speed of the slower car. Speed of the slower car is 60 km per hour, because we keep x equal to speed of the slower car. Next, question number 40. Look at here. There are 351 gold coins that are supposed to be divided among Abhay, Vishal and Kishore, and the ratio 2:3:4. But by mistake, it was divided in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. The number of extra or deficit gold coins incurred to Abhay due to this mistake is here. Abhay was supposed to get is Abhay's ratio is 2 over 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. Abhay's part is 2 over 9 of the total. But the division ratio, but they are dividing, only divide as 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. This LCM is 12. So multiply by throughout, this one is 12 is 6 ratio, 12 into 1 by 3 is 4 ratio, and 3 ratio. These are wrong division ratios. Here Abhay is here, first one person, 6 over 13, addition of this one. Therefore Abhay's gain or loss. Here we have to subtract 6 over 13 minus 2 over 9 into total number of coins is 351. So we have to get it this take LCM and simplify, we get it is 84. This option. Now next question, that is 41. Lagan is levied on the 40% of the total land in village Sitapur. The revenue department collected total rupees 4,48,800 through the Lagan from a village. Hari, a very rich farmer, paid only 580 as Lagan for his piece of land. The percentage of total land Hari over the total taxable land of the village, approximately to find. Here first Let X be the total land. Total, X be the total land. Then the taxable is 40%. Taxable is 40%. Therefore, taxable land is equal 0.4x. Taxable land is X here. Now rupees 4,48,800 is collected for 0.4x. Therefore, x we can find of land. Therefore, rupees 1 collected for land. Therefore, from this ratio, rupees 1 collected, rupees 1 collected for this much 0.4x over unitary method to 800. Now, for taxable land, is 580. 580 land for Hari. That is 480 into 580, sorry. 580 into this ratio 4x over 448 800. Therefore, since taxable land is only 40%, since taxable is 40% of the total, therefore total land is 100 by 40 into this amount, 580 0.4x over 448 800, which is equal that this percent of the total land over the total taxable land. Therefore, total over total taxable. Therefore, total over total taxable. Total land over total taxable equal this ratios divided by 0.4x. This is 100 divided by 40 into 580 0.4x over 44800 divided by 0.4. That is this both cut into 100, which gives, that means this all multiplication and division, which gives approximately 0.323. That is 0.323. How it, that means you have to multiply this 100 into 580, that is 100 580 double zeros, and then zeros you can cut here. Then here also 1 0 cut, and calculation is here 58 into 100 divided by 4 into 448. That gives approximately 0.323. Option C. Next question. The shopkeeper marked up the price of an item 96% on the actual cost price and allows the discount 25%. If he gave 2 items free for every dozen purchase, then find the profit percent on sale of 1 dozen. Here it is a it is concept of net effect on the multiple discount. Here first discount is 196 because 96% shopkeeper marked for the price of 96%, therefore 100% 96 is 196, therefore net ratio, we are finding net ratio to SP to CP. SP is selling price 196 because we marked up price of an item 96% of actual price. So 196 by 100 CP and SP and CP and allows a discount of 25% discount. 25% discount is 75 by 100 because 25% discount 100 into, and he gives 2 items free for every dozen purchase. Therefore, every dozen purchase plus 2, that is SP is 12 item, then it is a cost price of 14 items because 2 items for free every dozen, that is 12 plus 2 is 14. This we have to calculate is 126, but we can cut it this one 14 here 14 times, that is 196, cutting is 40 times and calculation of these things 126. Now they are asking then find the profit percentage on 1 dozen item. Therefore the profit percentage for 1 dozen item is SP minus CP, that is a profit 100 over 126 into 100, which is equal 26 over, which is equal same 26% because this is not 126, this is 100. Here CP is 100, then which is equal 126%. Option D. Next question. A can do a piece of work in 15 days, B can do the same work in 10 days, and C can do the same work in 12 days. All 3 of them do the same work together, then they collectively rupees 9,000. If B share is divided among 3 new persons D, E and F in the ratio 1:5:3 respectively, then find the share of F. Here we know that money is distributed in the ratio efficiency. Therefore, ratio of days of work, 15 days and 10 days and 12 days. This money ratio is this much because that's much days they work. Therefore, ratio of efficiency ratio because they work regarding this much hours, efficiency ratio is reciprocal of this one, 1/15, 1/10, 1/12. Here, after that, this take LCM of 15 and 10 and 12, this is 120. LCM is 120. Multiply throughout 120 gives the ratio of efficiency ratio is 4. 4 is 2, 6 is 2. Multiply 120 and divide by some common number and 5. That is totally, first comes 8, 12 and 10 comes, then divide by 2 is 4, 6, 5. Now B share. That means because B share you have to find, and those share is divided among those D, E and F. Therefore, D share is first B share. B share is 6 over 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 5 is 15. 6 by 15 is 9,000, which gives 3,600. This 3,600 share is distributed among D, E, F in 1, 5, 3 respectively. Find the ratio of F. That is, F ratio is, therefore, F ratio is nothing but F ratio is 3 over, here among 1 is to 5 is to 3, 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 over 9 into P share is 3,600, which gives 1,200. This means F share, finally F get 1,200. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.